Welcome to this tutorial on how to bulk delete WordPress posts on your site in just 5 minutes. In this session, you will learn a straightforward process that allows you to quickly remove multiple posts at once, keeping your website clean and well organized. The steps outlined in this guide will take you through the entire process, from logging into WordPress through to permanently moving the unwanted post to the trash. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once the site loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you will see the login option. Clicking on the login link takes you to the authentication page. This initial step is essential because accessing your WordPress dashboard is where you can manage your site's content, including your posts and media. After clicking on login, the next stage involves using your Google account for a streamlined authentication process. Look for the option to continue with Google, and once you click on that button, you will be presented with a list of Google accounts that you have previously used or that are currently logged in. Choose the appropriate account that is linked to your WordPress site. This method not only simplifies the login process by eliminating the need to remember separate credentials, but also ensures that the dashboard you access holds all your content and configurations for editing. Once you have successfully logged into your WordPress account, the next step is to navigate to the Posts section. In your dashboard menu, locate the link that leads to your posts. This section displays a list of all the content you have published, and it is here that the bulk deletion process will be carried out. The post page is designed to give you an overview of your work, making it easy to identify which posts you may no longer need. When you are in the Posts section, carefully look at the list provided on your screen. You will now select the post you want to delete by checking the boxes adjacent to each unwanted post. It is important to carefully review each selection to avoid accidentally deleting content that you might need later. Take your time during this part and verify that only the posts you wish to remove are marked. After you have checked all the appropriate boxes, direct your attention to the Bulk Actions drop-down menu. This tool is designed to simplify the deletion process by allowing you to perform actions on multiple items at once. Click on the drop-down menu and you will see several options that dictate the action you can perform. Among these, choose the option that says Move to Trash. Once you select this option, the deletion process is initiated and your selected post will be transferred to the trash folder. Following these detailed instructions, you have effectively learned how to maintain a clutter-free content management system on your WordPress site. With just a few simple clicks, you can manage unwanted posts, thereby ensuring your website remains organized and efficient. This tutorial provides a clear step-by-step process designed to streamline your site administration tasks. Enjoy the ease of a cleaner site and continue managing your online presence effectively.